Yeah, oh, they had to take out a door just because they needed to like install the new fridge.
Still full of food?
Yeah, it still has food inside.
What? Are you trying to kill me?
I didn't know you guys were gonna come this morning.
Oh,
That was smooth. Okay. You're gonna do it, right?
No, you have to wait over the fourth.
Okay.
It's easy to draw.
How long are we gonna wait? How long are we supposed to wait?
1 hour.
1 hour?
Yeah.
So where are we supposed to pluck it?
Hit that round the box.
Okay.
I can't show you.
Okay. Babe,
No, it's just right here. You can't-
come see this. I don't want to die now. I'm scared for my life.
No, it's okay. Go.
that's how I see this.
Go. Right here.
Daddy, come on.
Okay, you already did it. Yeah. Thanks so much. When I turn it on, you can't plug in.
Yeah.
Off.
The hell go.
1 hour and then you can plug it.
The hell go.
Want the plug?
What do you want? Light?
Yeah, go pick it up.
What the?
Right here is a tin.
That looks so good, guys. I love it. It's beautiful.
Guys.
Yeah, but I can't move it.
Wow. Honestly, I didn't know this was gonna go through this door. Yeah. Basement set. Check. Yep. I reinstalled the door back. Fish check.
That's so heavy.
Yeah. And it's so beautiful too. I love it so much.
There's nothing, mommy.
Water filter.
Water filter.
Yes, baby.
Mommy, you got this.
Yes, baby, that's the water filter.
Yeah.
Coming
buy
through.
that for us.
The dishwasher to be installed soon. I'm gonna show you guys the process. So far, my kitchen is looking chef.
Are you ready? I'm gonna put in password, so this is gonna be ours.
Okay.
And my dad's gonna do the password for me.
Okay.
So it says show password and all the things here. We have a new fridge.
Let me get the password and come.
Okay, mommy. So
I'll see who is setting up the fridge. The one and only
turn that up. If this is the wait.
Connect. Hooray.
I agree. Oh.
Yeah, I agree. Oh. Good. Ta-da. You enter the phone number. Fridge change. Let's fix the new one. Yes, baby. We have to pack all of this back. Yes, baby. Let's do it together. And that's a big soon. Let's peel off everything and clean up. Yeah. Do your thing. That place is nice, eh? Oh well. So guys, now we're gonna clean. We're gonna be cleaning now, guys. We're having some stuff in here.
So you guys right now my mom is watching. Hello, Mama. Mom is watching. She said that's a new house. That's a new house. Let's go. Woo!
Alright, who's gonna be giving me stuff? It's time for you to give me.
It's me. Whoa! Those Sarah, it's not your turn. Shane, it's not your turn.
Thank you. I think it's just to bring things.
You're going to help.
Yeah, you can carry stuff from there and give me. Just not bring anything.
One sock.
Whatever. On top of it. So,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
thank you. Okay guys, so this is the final results. Here we have a chicken, goat meat, pork meat. Here we have a fish, bar, dessert, and the rest. We have a chicken, we have a snails, we have a cow skin, we have a string. And yeah, I just have like a couple of stuffs, my African thing, plums, snails, dry fish, garlic, ginger. Yeah, I have my bell pepper. Yeah, I have my tomatoes with my green beans and carrots. My fresh thyme, my corn, my soya, my carrot, my juice, my fruit, some eggs, some yogurt for the kids. And yeah, I just have my whipping cream for my other stuff that I'll be using, unsalted butter and everything. And on this section, just have a little bit of like juice and the rest. And yeah, that's it guys. This is how it looks like. So today was just all about changing the fridge, getting a new one, the one that we wanted. The one that we had was what was given to us by the builder. We didn't like that, so we got what we wanted. And yeah, and of course you already know we will have to play us at all time. This is beautiful, right guys? Perfecto. All right guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys love this video. If you want to see more of this, please let us know in the comment section, and peace out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, guys. If you're just joining for the very first time, we will be showing you guys a lot: unpacking, packing, changing of stuffs here and there. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Bye.